Okay, here's a carrier defrosting now. It's 4 tons. That's what's called, see all that ice right here? You see all that ice? That's caused by these defrost cycles where that water drains off and freezes right there. Hold on, here's one out here going defrost too. Good job. All right, about the perfect timing. This is a Goodman cpke 48 defrosting. Got a Bristol in it. Hold on. And here's this one steaming. Alrighty. Alright. Sorry I didn't get in the first video, but I went and defrost lines here and I said, well, I'll just do this. See, this is what's fun about winter time. That's what's fun about winter time, these things. See it? Hold on, let's go out here and peek at this one real quick too. I thought that would cut back on first before this one would, since it went and defrost first. I mean, I'm not trying to ignore anything, but I just thought it would cut back on first. But who knows? Both of them are defrosting. If it had been that and then this, and I'd do it even better. But it's just that and out there, see it? That out there steaming too. I don't know which one I'll cut back on first, but I'm just going back and forth as much as I can. There we go. Alright. Well, I wasn't expecting that. That cut back on before this one did. Oh, this one must be different. Must be a thermostat in a different location. The defrost thermostat. Look. This thing drying the coil off good. Done got the coil dried almost. That didn't. Oh, this one's staying in a lot longer than that and out there. This one's staying in a lot longer. This has done been in 6 minutes. Or not quite 6, yeah, about 6 minutes at least. 3 minutes. But it was frosted up pretty good. Feel that heat now, that's steam. Wait till it goes. Wait a minute. Now. Don't. Oh, this is heat all the way down to here. This is steam. Something might be wrong. All right, there we go. Okay, over and out.